are a full turnkey solar provider, and we work within really all pillars of the solar industry: larger commercial and industrial customers, municipalities, nonprofits. We also work with small commercial business owners and even utility scale projects that we provide for some of the utilities here in South Carolina. One of the great things about solar right now is there are opportunities for all sorts of people to take advantage of solar to save on their electric bills, have a long-term investment for their home, for their business, and also contribute to the future of having a sustainable South Carolina. We have plenty of businesses that now install solar on the roof, or if they've got a field nearby, perhaps a ground mount, and you can reduce most, if not all, of their monthly electric bills. So you've got that operating cost that's reduced. You can take advantage of the tax incentives around solar, including the depreciated value of the asset. Often a large system pays for itself in 3+ years, and then you've got another 25 years left of life out of that asset that's just continuing to show savings. While homeowners are really the early adopters of going solar in South Carolina, business owners are really seeing the advantages, and more are going solar. It's really showing that this is a viable option to invest in your company's future and infrastructure, and help make your employees and your customers proud to be associated with you.